Hi friends, today we'll continue with the part 2 of useState with array of objects. As you can see here, already we have discussed this in the part 1. Look here and see the result here. This is the result. So in this case we are going to do add the input values, input tags, and get the values and insert into this array of objects and display them in this. First we need to give the 3 input values, and for that also add button will add. After entering the input values, if we hit the add button, those values will be attached to this array of objects, then those will be dynamically display on the browser. So for that purpose, let's take one state variable, that is for object const take input. Let's take one state variable, take input set take input and use state. Here we are going to use that object type of use state in this case. So let's take the id. It should be empty, and first name it should be empty, and comma last name also empty. Initially we are taking the empty values, then go here. Finally we can take the react.fragment shortcut form is this one, Control X and put it at the end of the div, Control V. Yeah, now we can utilize this. Yep, div. Within this div we'll take one more div. For that we are going to maintain label and input in the single div. That's why nested div I have taken. So label so add the id here, and here add the input tag. For this input tag we are going to give the type is typ type, which is number for this id, and value is take input dot id, and the name is equal to id, and on change event which is equal to handle input. For that handle input we are going to write the function here, that it is a constant arrow function, constant type arrow function, Control V, equals to pass that event here, right? And likewise we can take one more input, Control C, Control V and Control V. Let's adjust them for first name and last name. Already id done. It is for first name, first name It is a type is a text. Here take input dot id, instead of id we can use that first name, first first name, and a name is first name. Name is first name, first first name, handle change is common. Now here also first name. Here let's take this last one is last name, label is last name. It is a text type, it is a last name, it is also last name, name is last name. Why I am taking this name also? Because only single function we are writing for all these three inputs. Just here let's take the input value, which is equals to, already we have take input value is there, control C, dot dot dot, control V, comma, and within square brackets e dot target dot name. Already we have mentioned name. For that, each time where in the three input fields, whatever you are typing, that name it will grab here, and that value it is going to assign to this input value. Here take input value means previous other input values, like already some input values while you are typing some input value, three fields are there now. Already id entered, next first name you are entering, first id name it is going to hold this, next first name you are going to enter, third last name you are going to enter. So first id and first name it is going to handle this take input. So here current value for which name we are assigning, that is that input value, grab it. So e dot target dot value and assign that into set take input, control C, control V, that three input values will be stored into this object method. Yeah, then all the values is ready. Now those values we need to add. For that purpose we need to add button here, butta, button name is add. Here we are going to handle the event, that is on click event, which is equals to handle button. We are going to handle button. For this method we need to write down the definition above this, const control V, which is equals to arrow function we are following, control Z, arrow function. Then within this we need to focus on which values we are going to add in this. First let's take previous values. Let new person, already some values are there, no, we need to get those into this one. Already some values are there, area in the area of object, comma, then take, already we have taken the three input values in this, no, those we can get it in this take input value. Here set take input value means three input values it is going to handle this in handle input, those will be available in this. that we are assigning into this new person, because already 3 in the data, previously 3 objects are there. This is the latest object. 3 objects we are assigning into new person by using spread operator, and after that last object it becomes take input. Now new person contains old values, that means old data and new data, that we can assign into this. That means array of objects, it is going to update through this function. Control V and assign this new person or new array of objects. Also you can take it. Control C, Control V, A, Control C, Control V. Yeah, old one, new object, these two becomes new array of object that we updated in the set array of object. That means array of object is ready with the new data also. Now let's look into output, how it is going to show. Yeah, ID is there, first name is there, last name is there, add button is there, some kind of error is showing on click, some missing on click which is used at button place. So CLI, now it is correct. So remove that, just refresh it, it will go. Then close this one, not required here. This one, look here, 3 IDs are showing. 4th ID we are going to add some kind of Sai, some kind of Krishna, KRISHN, Krishna, just add it. Yeah, added here Sai Krishna. And at the same time we need to clear this one. For that purpose, for cleaning, we should do something here. What we can do, this set take input, Control C, Control V, and remove this and add this empty object. Just copy this one, only object, Control C, Control V, that means empty. Look here, once again we'll test it. Yeah, 3 objects are only available. 4th one we are going to add some Ram Sai, just add it. Yeah, cleared input and added at the end. So in this way we can utilize this array of objects, dynamically we can give the input and add them into array of objects and display them on the screen. That's it friends, it's very simple to learn this. Okay, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.